Hey guys, today I'm playing with two of our larger transfers and our white magnetic circle round 10-inch board. What I'm doing right now is I am using the cake stand from the You're the Sweetest transfer along with some storm chalk paste to make the bottom of what I'm going to make to look like a snow globe. I just want to go ahead and heat that up to make sure it's nice and dry. And then once it's nice and dry, I'm going to come in and use the tree from the Happy Camper winter add-on. I think it's going to be perfect for this. I hope you guys like it too. Right now I'm using some green MV chalk paste. Remember, a little chalk paste goes a very long way. I scraped off the excess. I'm pulling it up. There we go. There's my little tree for the snow globe. Now I was thinking some snow would look super cute, but I'm going to use some fresh linen chalk paste for this just because I think that's going to make it look really cute and make it like stand out more against the white background. So I'm using a little bit of the fresh linen. When I'm getting through this, you'll see that I'm just pulling it all over and adding just a little bit onto my tree. Not a lot of snow, just a little bit of snow. Gonna go in once again. I'm gonna make sure that that layer is completely dry. Then I'm gonna go back to the You're the Sweetest transfer and take the cake dome lid to make it look like the snow globe lid. So you'll see that it's not quite long enough, but wait till you see what I do here. I'm going to come back. I'm going to use that fresh linen again. I noticed it was a little chunky from the last time that I was using it, so I just added a little bit of distilled water. No big deal. Little spritzes, less is more, and then you add as you need. So there we go. There's the dome topper. Now watch this. Make sure I'm going to make sure it's completely dry, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to line up the lines from the dome topper, and I'm going to come in and just chalk right up to where I was missing. And look at that, how cute. Look at it, it looks like a little snow globe. Now back to the Happy Camper winter add-on. I think these are supposed to be Christmas bulbs, but I'm going to use them as like little water bubbles, if you will, for inside the snow globe, because inside the snow globe there's always a bit of water, right? So I'm going to use some Morning Sky chalk paste, and I'm just going to randomly add those little bubbles to make it look like there's water inside the snow globe. I thought it would be super fun little add-on, and I really had no rhyme or reason where I put them, just where I thought maybe if you shook it up where water would be rising. So let me finish doing this, and then we're going to see just how stinking cute it's going to look. So remember, the transfers that I used were You're the Sweetest and Happy Camper winter add-on, along with Green Envy, Fresh Linen, Morning Sky, and Storm chalk paste. If you'd like to get these items and more, please be sure to come in and check out my online store. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the finished project pic. Super cute!